What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. Today we'll be making a keto cheddar biscuit. So let's get started. To a dry bowl, we'll be combining all our dry ingredients. So let's get started with 1/3 cup of almond flour. Then 1 tablespoon of coconut flour. And guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, now would be a good time to go ahead and smash that subscribe button, turn your notification bells on, and don't forget to get active in the comments. Then I added 1/3 cup of mild, finely shredded cheddar. If you love your biscuit cheesy, go ahead and add more. I wish I had added more. The next time I make this, I will definitely add more cheddar. Then I'll use a little of this Creole seasoning, just a little. I added a heaping tablespoon of grated Parmesan, and finally a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Then I just use my spatula and I mix that thoroughly together. So I must tell you guys, the next time I make this again, I will add a little of my Swerve powdered sugar, just a little to balance out the taste. It was fine without the sugar, it tasted fine, but for my taste bud, I think a little sugar would just top it off. Yes guys, I was saying, if you love that Red Lobster biscuit, you will love this biscuit. So now I grabbed another bowl and I'm adding my wet ingredients. So 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. And this right here is some coconut oil I mixed with some crushed garlic, and I have a clip here of how I made that. All I did, I just used some coconut oil, crushed the garlic and added it to the coconut oil and microwave it for 45 seconds. I actually would have used some garlic powder if I had, but I didn't have garlic powder, so I made do, and I'm glad I make that way. But another thing that I would do the next time I do this, I'd probably use my butter, my grass-fed butter, and give it a buttery taste. But it tastes fine with the coconut oil. It tastes real good. So if you like olive oil, you could use that. You could use the coconut oil, or you could use your butter. Then I whipped that up a little right before I added some unsweetened almond milk, vanilla flavor. I used 3 tablespoons of that. And then guess what we did? We whipped it real good, and then we combined the dry and the wet ingredients. And let me tell you something, guys. I was just laying here and I felt for some of those Red Lobster cheddar biscuit. I don't even like Red Lobster biscuit to that, and I just said I can make that myself. So I got up and I made it keto friendly. But the point that I was making here, I try a lot of recipe, and you see me post a lot of recipe, but just know this: if I try something and it doesn't taste good, I am not posting it. So every time you see me post something, you should be excited to go make it, because you know it's bomb. Then I laid a piece of parchment paper on a baking pan, and then I just put them in there. I try to make them even because later I have to check my net carbs. Usually when I post a keto recipes, I don't post the net carbs because I'm not comfortable doing that. You check your own net carb. You can check your own measurement, write them down, check the carbs that's in it, and you just calculate your own net carbs. I calculate mine, you calculate yours, because you know what you did. But my net carb was just a little under 2. I would say 2. It didn't really get to 2. But yes, guys, look at these. Crispy and crunchy on the outside, and so soft and just fleshy and nice, and just beautiful on the inside. And it tastes just as good as it looks. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys will try this delicious keto cheddar biscuit. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next upload. Mwah, mwah, mwah. So I just wanted to come in here and say the name that I'm gonna give this biscuit is Keto Cheddar Garlic Biscuit. It's cheddar garlic biscuit.